Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties. Article 28. Non-retroactivity of treaties, unless a different intention appears from the treaty, or is otherwise established, its provisions do not bind a party in relation to any act or fact which took place, or any situation which ceased to exist before the date of the entry into force of the treaty with respect to that party. Article 29. Territorial scope of treaties, unless a different intention appears from the treaty, or is otherwise established, a treaty is binding upon each party in respect of its entire territory.